welcome back to Hello High for another quick and easy cannabis recipe like always. And today we're making my favorite soft mini M&M and chocolate chunk cookies. Now, if you love soft cookies, this is the recipe for you and it should be under 5 minutes. So let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need M&M minis, chocolate chunks, baking soda, 1 egg, can of flour and regular flour, can of butter, sugar, and vanilla. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Now, I decided to use my T-check device to check the potency of my butter before I started so I would have an idea of how many milligrams were in each cookie. After connecting the device to the app, I chose butter from the drop-down menu and let the device calibrate for about